I'm out here moving my body, doing my thing, thing. Taking a little stroll, nothing too crazy, just enjoying the trees and the wildflowers. Look how pretty these wildflowers are. Wow, did I just end up in a different place where wildflowers grow? Can't leave our cactuses out, our nopales. This tree, it's so big and beautiful, right? I love my city. It always tries to conserve all the native plants and flowers and trees. I'm so grateful. It feels so good to know that Jesus died on the cross for me, that I was worthy of that. Sometimes I feel like I'm not worthy of things for whatever reason. It just feels so good to know that Jesus died for me and he took away my sins. If you're happy that Jesus died on the cross for you, can you drop me a cross and a yellow heart or one or the other? So I know you're listening. Sorry. You know. Look how beautiful this is. It's like a gift from God. He let me experience what it's like to be around all these wildflowers. They really illuminate my day. I was feeling a little bit, I don't know, low energy. I said, let's go move that body. Let me move that body. And here I am, walking by the lake, enjoying these beautiful native trees. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. What are you doing today? Are you excited about a new week that's going to start? I just wanted to take you guys along to motivate you, possibly before the week starts, to move around when you're feeling a little bit, I don't know, low or melancholy, to move your body. It's like the easiest way to shift your mood and your energy. I believe that the nature and all that is beautiful, like these palm trees and these beautiful trees. They all play a role in my healing process and my mood. So, oh, and of course the water. You know we love the water. How beautiful that is. Just for a moment. Just want you to see what's all around me. It's the water. Something about the water that feels so good inside of my spirit. Like everything in the flow, everything's gonna move. I'm not gonna be in this place forever. Not that this place is bad. I am very blessed, but I have a lot more goals and ideas to bring about. This water's calm, and it's making me feel calm too. How beautiful that is. Oh. Hi guys. Hi.